Introducing the 2024 Skoda Kamiq SEL 1.0 TSI 110 HP in sleek grey. This hatchback, with a 1 litre petrol engine and manual transmission, is loaded with comfort, safety and technology features. From air conditioning to lane departure warning, this vehicle has it all. The interior boasts luxury trim and ample storage options. With ABS, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking, your safety is a top priority. Roof rails add a touch of style and practicality. Plus, the stop and start system saves fuel and reduces emissions. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us today or visit spiritskoda.ie for more details. Drive with confidence in the 2024 Skoda Kamiq SEL 1.0 TSI.